morning. I'm doing a tiny little vlog for you today. I have got multivitamins. They're called vegans. I will link them down below. So I'm having these. I'll probably have my breakfast bar and then some greens. These are the ones that I'm having at the moment. Shining in what feels like the first time in forever, and just like feeling it on my body here just feels so good. Just a couple of minutes like this is all it takes to lift your mood 1000%. So we have this gym space at home, but it's very much like boy space. Normally the boys are in here. I have never trained in here apart from maybe on the treadmill once or twice. But Kat's going around today and she's going to show me what to do in here. So rather than paying for a gym membership, or we've got some bits and bobs, Mike's made me a box, although it isn't here. We've got this stuff and just all kinds of stuff going on. Micah is home. How was your day?
It was absolutely wonderful and cold.
Is it cold today?
Very salty.
What are our plans for the evening?
What our plans every evening now.
We're going to have some dinner. I think we're having sausage and mash. Mike's weighing the potatoes for me, and we're having these plant-based sausages. These are one of my favourite plant-based options. I'd recommend them to anyone that's trying plant-based, especially during January. I actually have, which I link, no, I never know which corner it is, I think it's this one. I link in the corner to last January when I did what I ate in a day for vegan January, and I'll link that there for you. Otherwise, we're going to have some dinner, we're going to sit on the sofa. I'm going to edit you because you are going live literally today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another video.